I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by saving what matters, because Reset removes personalized data. First, export extensions with code list extensions and copy your user folder to a safe location. This preserves key bindings and snippets. Next, close Visual Studio Code and confirm no background code processes remain, since files will be replaced. Once done, disable settings sync or sign out so Cloud State won't restore unwanted configs. These steps prevent data loss and make the reset deterministic, letting you roll back if necessary. Now perform the reset by removing configuration and extension stores. On Linux/Mac OS delete // config/code and // vscode. On Windows remove %appdata %\code and %userprofile %\. vscode. Then clear extension data by deleting the extensions folder or running code uninstall extension for each entry from your list. Also remove caches, GPU cache, cache data, and workspace storage to eliminate corrupted states. Make sure to close VS Code while deleting. These actions return the app. Finally, reinstall or update Visual Studio Code to ensure core binaries are clean. Launch the fresh install and inspect settings and extensions to confirm default behavior. Once satisfied, re-enable settings sync and selectively reinstall extensions from your saved list. This prevents reintroducing problematic extensions. If VS Code still misbehaves, start it with disable extensions to isolate extension issues, inspect the developer tools and logs, then restore user backups if needed. This completes the reset and gives you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.